Okay. So Soumya, how should I do this question? Question number 12. Hello?
So if 1k is 2 raised to 10, then 2k, which is the double of 1k, will be 4 raised to 10.
By?
So sorry sir, what did you say?
Why? Why?
So 4 raised to 10, because the double of 2 is 4. So and we
Okay.
cannot
Okay. Yeah.
multiply the indices with 2 or anything, so the indices will remain the same.
Okay. Let me ask this. How do you get 2k? Do you get 2k by multiplying 2 by 1k? Am I correct or not? Am I correct? Soumya?
Yes sir.
And how do I get 4k? Do I get 4k by multiplying 4 with 1k? Am I correct?
Yes sir.
Sanviji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So let us look at this again. If 1k is equal to 2 raised to power 10, then 2 into 1k would be 2k, and this would be equal to 2 into 2 raised to power 10. Am I correct or not? Am I correct or not? Sanviji?
Yes sir.
Yes.
So now what you need to tell me is what is 2 into 2 raised to power 10. This is what you need to tell me. Have you understood my question?
4 raised to power 10.
Can you note down a rule? A raised to power n into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Can you please note this down? I'll give you an example also. So for example, 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 4 would be equal to, Sanviji?
2 raised to power 3 plus 4.
2 raised to power 3 plus 4, which is equal to
2 raised to the power 7.
Is there any confusion about this, Soumya? Soumya, is there any confusion? So what would be 2 into 2 raised to power 3 equal to? Soumya? Sanviji?
It will be equal to 2 raised to the power 4.
Soumya, any doubt?
No.
Okay, let us do some more examples. So 3 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 4, Soumya would be equal to Soumya?
3 raised to power 2 plus 4, which is equal to 3 raised to power 6.
3 into 3 raised to power 10 would be equal to Soumya?
3 raised to power 11.
So 2 into 2 raised to power 10 would be equal to
2 raised to 11.
Is there any doubt still?
No.
Sanviji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Have you noted this down?
Yes.
This
Yes.
is one of the very confusing topics, especially for kids who are in 7th or 8th class. This becomes very confusing. So if you have understood till here, now let us look at 4K. Can I write 4k as 2 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 10? Is there any doubt? And Soumyaji, the answer would be
2 raised to power 14.
2
Sorry,
raised.
12. 12.
Sanvi, any doubt?
No, sir.
Soumyaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So let us take some more examples. So for example, let us say I'm trying to solve 8k. Yeah. So my 1k is 2 raised to power 10. So Soumyaji, how can I write 8k? Soumyaji? Sanvi? Is there any doubt? Can I write this as 8 into 1k? And can I write 8 as 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 10? Soumyaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So what should be the answer? 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power 10?
2 raised to power 13.
Sanvi, any doubt?
No, sir.
Sanvi, what can I write 16k?
So 16 is equal to 2 raised to 4. So it can be 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 10, which will be 2 raised to 14.
Soumyaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
Soumyaji, what would be 32k?
Two raised to power 6.
Okay, it will be 2 raised to power 5. See, 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 is 16. Why? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 2 raised to power 5 would be 32. Soumyaji, any doubt?
No, sir.
So beta, what will be 2 raised to power 5 into 2 raised to power 10?
2 raised to power 15.
Shabash. See, it is a confusing topic. And this question is especially a very good question because it helps you to understand. This is indices, exponents, and it is one of the very confusing but very important topic in maths. Usually, this is taught in 7th and 8th class. My experience has been that people who don't understand indices and exponents, they are not able to understand the rest of maths. It becomes very critical. So, Soumyaji, if I have 64k, what can I write this as? Sanvi ji.
Yes, sir. So 64 is 2 raised to 6. 2 raised to 6 into 2 raised to 10, which is equal to 2 raised to 16.
Sanvi, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So, Sani, have you understood how to do this question?
Sir, are you asking me?
No, Sani, have you understood how to do this question?
Yes, sir.
So, for example, 4k would be equal to, Sani,
So 4k will be equal to 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 10. So
This
it
would
will be 2 raised to 12.
Shabash. If you are, anytime you are confused, you can write this 4k as 4 into 1k. And you know that 1k is 2 raised to power 10. So this will be 4 into 2 raised to power 10. And then you can follow this method. Sani, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, good.